Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you will learn how to send WhatsApp message without saving number. It won't take you long. This method will be useful for you if you don't want to save a person's number in your contacts for some reason or just don't want to waste time on it. Let's go! First of all, go to the browser. In the search box write wa.me/ and without the plus the phone number of the person you want to write to. Now click on the Go to Chat button. Great! Now you can write to this person and you haven't saved his number in your contacts. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this video has been useful to you. Subscribe to the channel and click like. Your support is very important to us. Goodbye!